Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Gerel Matta. Today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial and we're going to be using the 27 palette by Mel Cosmetics. And this is a palette that I actually was requested to use one more time. So this is my second tutorial using this palette. Just in case you actually missed that first look, I'm going to link it somewhere up here. I already did my foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, and brows. So I'm going to finish the rest of the look here with you. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. You can also click on that little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video, which is every single week. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. So for lip balm, I'm actually using the by Beauty Agave Lip Mask. Okay, so today I actually want more like a peachy kind of look. Not so bright, so it's going to be like mostly mattes. That's what I am going for. So let's go ahead and get started and match these nails right here because we are so close to fall, but not really. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to use Naked Sleep, which is this one right here, and I'm going to use it on a fluffy brush, E40 brush, and I'm going to focus that shade on the outer corner and just working it in. So I do want to do some kind of V shape today. So most of the color in the outer corner. And we're going to do the same thing to the other eye. All right, so I'm going to go into Moxie, which is this reddish shade right here. And I'm going to use it on a Morphe M441. It's really nice in taper. And I am going to use that same spot in the outer corner. And we're going to build on that shade. And just swipe it out just to create that cat eye effect, and whatever is left on the brush, just bring it in and just follow the curve of your eye. All right, with the same shade, I'm going to just work it on my lower lashes. I'm just going to go in a third of the way. Going into Moonchild, I'm using the Morphe E17 brush. It's a little bit more taper and precise. Definitely tap the excess, and I'm just going to focus that on the very outer part of my eye, and then working it into the crease just a little bit, like above my crease, just a little bit. And then also the outer corner of our lower lashes, just to connect everything together, and just keep on building that color the same. We're going to go into Moxie, and we're going to grab that on the same brush that we were using before on the Morphe M441, and we're going to use that one to blend those two together. Always, always, always doing this step. I'm going to use this peachy shade right here. I'm going to put it all over my lip. Did you see that pigment is amazing? So I'm patting this shade down. I am not swiping it or anything. I'm just patting it. I love that shade. Ah! All right, now you want to go back with the blending with the darker shade right here and just blend the edges so they can just blend nicely together. Grab just a tiny bit of it. Going back with Moxie and just going over the edges. So now I'm going to create my wing liner, and I'm going to be using the E06 liner as well as the Wicked Gel liner by Sigma, and this is definitely going to be a super quiet moment because I need all this concentration, just because I usually clean up my wing with a wipe, but because I already have my base and everything, so I need to really concentrate. Okay, I hope that you don't mind. So yeah, this is it, and let's get started. So alright, so let's go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm going to be using the Wonder Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara just because I got it on my box and I actually do like it. I think that it is a good mascara. Definitely not a holy grail though, but it is a good mascara. Alright, for lashes I'm going to be applying this one's by Vegas Nay and Allure, and this one is in the style Bronze Beauty. So it does come with the adhesive, but I don't use these adhesive. I actually prefer my Duo just because I've actually been using it for a while and it doesn't irritate my eyes or anything like that. Usually when you want to cut it just so it can fit your eye, you can cut it from the outer part, but a little bit of the inner part of the lash actually came out. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm just going to get rid of that little thing because otherwise it's going to bother me. Alright, so I'm just going to make sure that they are nice and bent, and I'm going to apply some of the glue on the same case, and I'm just going to let it sit there for a little while. So for eyebrows, I'm going to set them in place using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I actually used the pomade today to do my brows, so they do look a little bit darker. I don't know if you can tell. So as you can see, there was like no fallout with the eyeshadows whatsoever, which is so awesome. I love it. Alright, so I finished up with the lashes and I'm really liking these eyelashes very, very much. I think they are very pretty. They're really nice and fluffy and they were really easy to apply, which is like a plus. Plus, after a little practice, you do get better at it. So just in case you are having a little bit of problem applying lashes, just keep on practicing. You'll get it. You'll get it. You will get it. So yeah, if you want me to go into a depth video in regards of how I actually started applying lashes, please let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to do that video for you because it was a struggle, so I can tell you my whole experience with lashes. So yeah, so let's go ahead and move on to the face. I'm super excited for the next product that I'm going to be using because I just picked it up. Like I just went to the store at 10 o'clock in the morning and picked it up because I knew that they actually had it in stock at the store. And this is the iconic London Illuminator Drops. I actually been wanting to get my hands on this baby for such a long time, but unfortunately they did not have it in any of the stores until, of course, recently, like about a couple of days ago. I think it was like on the 22nd or something like that, that it became available at Ulta. So I'm super excited. I'm not gonna go crazy with it because I hear that it's like super intense. So I'm just going to put little 3 drops right there. I'm going to go in with the back of my sponge by like the little corner of it, and I'm just going to blend that into the face. So with my finger, it is definitely melting into my skin much better. All right, so just on top of that, because we want to be extra glowy today, I'm going to be using my Dior, and this one is in the shade 001. This one was a limited edition. I don't know if it's the same now, but this is what the color looks like. So it is like on the champagne-y kind of pinky shift to it. All right, and like always, I'm going to be using my A23 by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to grab a little bit because we we are already glowing, so and a little bit on the tip of my nose. And on the bridge. And on my cupid's bow. So for blush, this is the one that I'm using today, and this one is the Mineralized Blush by Becca, and it's in the shade Songbird. I'm going to grab just a little bit of it because it does have a lot of pigment. And yep, told ya. And to highlight the inner corner of my eyes, I'm actually going to go back to the highlighter by Dior. I'm going to grab a little bit on a brush, and this one is the Morphe E18. So I'm going to finish my lower lashes using the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. So for lips, I'm going to go into MAC Strip Down. And for lips, I'm going to be using the Dust of Colors Aesthetic. Go ahead and apply it. It's so pretty. So let me just swatch it in the back of my hand so you can see. And that is the color. And this one is part of the collection that they did with I Love Sarai. This is the final look. So yeah, I went ahead and set my face in place using the All Nighter by Urban Decay. And yeah, my hair is still a little damp, but this mama does not have time to do her hair today, so I do apologize for that. I hope that you can see beyond the messy hair. But yeah, I really enjoy doing this tutorial for you. I did not know what I had planned. I actually had an idea, but you know, it's just really playing with your makeup and just coming up with looks. So I hope that you actually enjoy it and like it. This palette is really good. I cannot believe that this palette does not have any fallout. It's just so beautiful to work with and so amazing. So yeah, it's really beautiful to work with and I really enjoy it very much. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time. Bye.